You can see our face is glowing and the lips is popping and juicy and the eyes is yummy, yummy, yummy. Juicy queens, welcome back again to another juicy content. If you're new here, hi, my name is Estelle. So today I'm going to be showing you guys my glowy. As you can see, the face is glowing. Welcome to the juicy family. Today's video, everything I'm going to show you is how you can achieve a glowy, sweat proof and flawless makeup in this summertime. If you are interested, I want to see my tips and tricks, the things I do so my makeup can last minimum 8 hours, then stick around. I got you today. And don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you are not, and I will see you at the end of this video. I love you guys. Bye. So my brows are done already. We are going to go straight into moisturizing our skin, and I'm using the Neutrogena Hydro Boost. For your makeup to last long, you have to set your base, and that's why we have to moisturize our face first. If you don't moisturize your face, if you don't go in with a primer, then you don't want your foundation to last long. For primer today, we will use the Rimmel Stay Matte Primer. This primer is not as mattifying as the name sounds. It's just a good base for your foundation. So to blur out my pores, I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser. This will help blur out my pores so that it doesn't peek through from the foundation. Next step, I'm going to go in with a setting powder, and today I'm using the Beauty Bakerie setting powder in the shade Almond. This is how it looks. It's just like my skin tone. I'm going to use that to set my face. This will help grab and keep my foundation put without moving, without creasing, without separating. Now we're going to move on to the foundation. For foundation, I'll use the Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation in the shade Cappuccino. This is a matte foundation, and I'll use the NYX Born to Glow in the shade Cappuccino. Both are from NYX. I'm going to mix them. So these two foundation, I find out that when I mix both of them, I don't have so much matte going on. I don't have so much glow or radiance going on. It's just giving me that normal base. I'm going to go in with my beauty blender just to make sure everything is looking smooth. For concealer, I'll go in with the L'Oreal Infallible Concealer in the shade 338 Honey. To set my face, I'll use the Mercier setting powder in translucent. I'm not baking, I'm just setting. To contour my face, I'll use the Fenty Beauty bronzer in Mocha Mami. So to dust out my setting powder, I'll go in with the Rimmel powder in honey. I know I'm looking all white, but wait. So my lashes are on, and I've gone ahead and just added a little bit of color to my lower lash line and added mascara to that. Let's move on to the lips. I'm going to use the MAC lip pencil in Nightmoth. So I'm going over it with this Maybelline Melted Chocolate lipstick. I'm using the Kiko lip gloss over it. I'm going to mix these two highlighter. This is the Get Gorgeous highlighter. I got this from Amazon, and this is the Lottie London illuminating highlighter. So I'm going to use my Huda Beauty Glow Coco Hydrating Mist, and I'm going to use the Stay Matte Finish Setting Spray from NYX. Alright my juicy queens, we've come to the end of this tutorial. As you can see, my makeup is glowing, my eyes is popping, everything, the lips is juicy. I love you guys so much. You guys know that. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching today's tutorial. For my old and new subscribers, I love you guys so much. Stick around, we'll continue to drop juicy content, as you know how we do it. Yes, enough of the blabbing. I love you guys so much. Bye bye.